Hello Mike, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2015 Honda CBR1000RA. 7,058 kilometers, and the price is 12,488 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety certified and is available at this time. It comes with extra features, which is the bubble windshield queen, and also they come with the integrated tail turn signals. So the rest is original. Brand new tires front and rear. As I said, this motorcycle is available. If you want me to secure it, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.